Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to go through all of the resources that we have related to applying for jobs, so you can nail that job application and ace that teaching interview. Let's get started. I would like to show you all of the different resources that we have available on our landing page. If you scroll down, you'll find the job hunting resources, and this has everything that you need. We have great resources to help you with writing a personal statement. You can also have a look at some popular interview questions too. We have the job hunting mega pack, which contains everything that you need to have a successful start to the job hunting process. You will find various infographics related to starting your job application and what to put on your CV, as well as a personal statement guide and the 5-minute interview plan. You can download the full Trainee Teacher and ECT infographics pack that covers how to find the right school for you, starting your job application, what to include on your CV, how to write a cover letter, and common interview questions and answers. Now let's move on to our YouTube channel. If you haven't already seen our amazing set of videos all related to job hunting, then be sure to check them out. Have a look at our job hunting playlist for all of the top tips. If you enjoy listening to podcasts, why not give one of our episodes a listen? We have episode 1, What Makes a Job Application Stand Out? A head teacher's point of view, where we are joined by a former head teacher and Twinkl SLT manager, Oliver Wright. He tells us all about the process of recruiting a new teacher from a head teacher's point of view and gives some excellent advice on job hunting. We have episode 2, Getting Your Job Application Right with Theo Griff, where we are joined by job hunting guru Theo Griff. Theo has written 2 books on job hunting, given seminars, advised major educational publications, and has taught for over 50 years. In this podcast, she will share her wisdom with us to help you get your job application right. And then we have episode 3, the do's and don'ts of a teaching interview with Oliver Wright. We have our special guest head teacher, Oliver Wright, returning in this episode to discuss the do's and don'ts of job interviews from a head teacher's perspective. This interview is full of valuable tips and advice. If you have a teaching interview coming up, it's highly recommended. Finally, in Season 3, Episode 5, Job Hunting Tips 2023, Simeon brings together our best job hunting tips from all of the previous episodes into one super episode to help you feel more confident on your job hunt. We also have our amazing digest articles, especially this one which discusses as a trainee transitioning into your first teaching job, how tempting it is to accept the first job offered. However, this choice may not help you make the very best start to your career. Learn more about this in the digest article written by Amy. If you haven't already joined our Facebook group and pages, make sure you do. Each week I run a live session covering various topics within teaching. You can check out some of the past live sessions where I talk all about the job hunting process. I hope to see you in the comments of one of my live sessions soon. I hope that you have found this video helpful, and we are wishing you the very best with your job hunting journey. Please let us know if we can offer any guidance. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!